Hello everyone, welcome back to the iAnyGo channel. Many trainers need a lot of PokéCoins when playing Pokemon Go to buy items like raid passes or boxes. However, the amount of PokéCoins you can get for free is limited. Today, we will explain how to collect PokéCoins in Pokemon Go and how to buy them more cost effectively. Part 1. Getting PokéCoins for free. First, let's talk about how to collect PokéCoins for free. In Pokemon Go, you can send your Pokemon to defend gyms to earn PokéCoins. Also, during special events or event promotions, items or rewards are sometimes given out. But since free PokéCoins have a limit, if you need a lot, you'll have to buy them from the shop. Part 2. Buy Pokemon Coins. Since the ways to collect free coins are limited, buying from the shop is usually a choice if you want to increase your PokéCoins efficiently. We know that Pokemon Go PokéCoins may have different prices in different regions. Therefore, some players also know they can check prices in other regions by changing location information. The basic principle is to change your location information, then check the shop prices in the target region. If there are differences in prices between regions, it might be cheaper to buy them that way. So, how do you change your location information? We recommend using iAnyGo. iAnyGo is a tool that easily changes the GPS location on iPhone and Android devices. No complicated setup or jailbreaking is needed. Just select your preferred location on the map to change your location. With iAnyGo, you can change your location with a single click. Even better, it supports using a joystick function for movement. You can find the download link in the description. That's it for today's tutorial. If you want to efficiently collect PokéCoins, try the method we introduced this time. If you found this video useful, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.